Hi guys, this is Sam here again with a new video on how to install and configure Puppet in the Ubuntu 14.04. So Puppet is configuration management system that allows you to define the state and configure your IT infrastructures. So here I'll use the two machines. The one is Puppet Server and the operating system of this machine is Ubuntu 14.04 and this is the IP, and another one is the PuppetClient. So again the operating system is the Ubuntu 14.04 desktop and this is the my IP. So here we're gonna configure a few things. So we'll install the Puppet in the 4 steps. One is preliminary installation, the another one is second one is PuppetMaster installation, third one is PuppetClient, and certificate exchange. So first you need to configure the DNS entries. So here if you have the dedicated DNS server, you can add the DNS entries or you can add just host name. So I have one machine that is the PuppetClient and this is the IP. So I add this entry into the etc host file. So here 109 is my PuppetClient machine, so I'll add that into the host file. So first we'll have to install the preliminary softwares, we'll have to configure some applications. So we'll configure the NTP. This is necessary to synchronize your machine times. So just install the NTP and then set the time zone. Then next we'll install the PuppetMaster on the Ubuntu. So these are the tags that I'll be using. You can find all these commands into the video description. So let's start. I'll switch to temporary folder and then I'll get the Debian package from the Puppet Labs. You can visit the official website to get the packages. So I'll just get the package that is from the Puppet Labs. So this is the package that I want. Okay, it has been added into the repository. Then next I'll just use the dpkg command. Okay, so I'll just copy paste the commands to save the time. Okay, so make sure that it is with the sudo access. So then next we'll just update the package library, package list. So sudo apt-get update. So this will update my package list. Then we'll wait till the update is finished. So I already finished my first step, and the second step, PuppetMaster installation. So here we have just added the package and then install the package. Then next we are updating the package list. So next step is to install the PuppetMaster. So here, okay, it is done. So now let's install the PuppetMaster. So I'll just type the command sudo apt-get install PuppetMaster. Okay, yeah, it depends on some other package, that is the Puppet common. So I'll have to install that first. So what I'll do, I'll install the PuppetMaster common first on my machine. So it is not necessary, but if your system asks to install it, just install it. So I'll just install sudo apt-get install Puppet master common. Oops, it should be Puppet common. Puppet master common depends on the Puppet common, so we'll have to install the Puppet common package first. I'll just delete the master and this is the Puppet common. Okay, we'll wait till it is been installed in my system. Okay, it is installing. Once this is finished, we'll install the PuppetMaster. You just need to add the command sudo apt-get install PuppetMaster. You can find the commands into the video description. Okay, it is updating, installing the package Puppet Common. Okay, it is done. Now we'll have to install the PuppetMaster. I'll just add the command sudo apt-get install PuppetMaster. You can just type or you can just copy paste to save the time. Okay, hit enter. It is installing, asking do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay, starting my Puppet server. Okay, it is done now. Now we'll have to configure the PuppetMaster. So I can check the Puppet version. Okay, Puppet V is not an invalid option. Okay, so I'll just use double hyphen version. Okay, Puppet 3.8.7 is installed now. So the next step, we'll configure this. So first, we need to lock this Puppet version. So I'll make some changes into the file, that is the vim etc apt preferences.d not hyphen puppet.pref. If this file is already available, you can just modify it, or else you can create the new file. So what we are doing, why we are doing this, we need to lock the Puppet version so that it won't be updated in the it will not be update the Puppet while running updates in the system. Next we'll change the configure file. Okay, we'll just first create this file, and we'll just add some lines into this. The first will be the comment for the location of the file. Sudo etc apt preferences.d not hyphen puppet pref. So this is my file location. Then I'll add the next line, that is the package colon puppet common and puppet master passenger. So I need to log these packages, so it won't update the Puppet. As I said, it won't update the Puppet while running the updates in the system. So next, the version, Puppet version, that is the 3.8. and the asterisk for the builds. It can update any build from the 3.8 version, and the priority will be 5.0. Then I'll just save this file. Okay, all package list is right. Then version and the Okay, I saved this. The next we'll change the configuration file. So first I'll clear my screen, then I'll just open the configuration file from the sudo vim etc puppet, okay, puppet, and the puppet.conf. If you install the latest version of Puppet, then that will be in the Puppet Labs folder. So we have installed the 3.8, so that will be in the Puppet folder. This is the difference between the versions directory. So this is my file. What I'll do, I'll just comment out the one line, that is the template dir conf dir templates. Okay, nothing is to change in the other lines. Okay, then I'll just save this file. Only just comment out this line. Then next we'll stop and then start the service, Puppet service, PuppetMaster, stop. Okay, it is stopping, it has been stopped. And then I'll just start it again. Okay, the next step is we'll configure the Puppet client. We'll install the Puppet client. So I'll just do the SSH to my client machine. Okay, and the password is, oh, I don't tell you the password. Okay, then next we'll just switch to the temp directory. Again, we'll have to add the package from the Puppet Labs. So I'll just copy the command and paste it to save the time. Okay, and the password is okay, then we'll install the package using the dpkg command, dpkg. Okay, it has been installed. The next we will update the package list, sudo apt-get update. Yes, it has been updating now. Okay, it's done now. Now we'll just install the Puppet client, sudo apt-get install Puppet. Earlier in the server we installed the Puppet master. Here we'll install the Puppet. So whenever you want to create the Puppet client, we just need to install the Puppet, not the Puppet master. Puppet master will be one for your environment or many. So whichever machine you want to connect with the Puppet server, just install these packages or the Puppet into that machine, and you need to configure the certificates from the Puppet master to Puppet client. So here we have just finished the third step, that is the install Puppet installation or the Puppet client Puppet client installation and configuration. So here Again, we'll just lock the Puppet version. So I'll just create the file on the location etc apt preferences.d not hyphen puppet dot pref. So I'll just add the same lines those I have added in the Puppet Master to lock the version. Why we are locking this version? So whenever system will run the updates, it won't update the Puppet. So you can update it manually. I'll just copy it from the my master because we are using the same version. I'll explain you in the next video series why we are locking this version on the Puppet server and PuppetClient. So just follow my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed it, you can just subscribe my channel to learn the Puppet. So you can get the video lessons on the Puppet, how to manage the Puppet, how to manage your infrastructure using the Puppet. Okay, it is done now. Next we'll configure the Puppet server into the PuppetClient's configuration file. So what I'll do, I'll just open the PuppetClient from the location etc puppetconf. So here we'll do the same, comment out the template dir, and here I'll just add the server name. So because we need to communicate with the server, so I'll add the one tag that is the one line, that is the agent, and server is equal to server name. If you have dedicated DNS name, you can insert the DNS name. If you have the server name, you can insert the server name, but make sure that you are adding the server name or the host name into the host file on the client. So that is first step that I have shown you on the server. So you can do the same thing on the client. The next we'll edit the file and make the changes from no to yes. So this will start the Puppet service. So start yes. So this will enable the Puppet agent service. Okay, we'll start the Puppet service start Puppet start. Okay, the next thing what we'll do, okay, you have finished the third step. Now we'll head to fourth step, that is the certificate exchange from the Puppet Master to PuppetClient. So here whenever you start, the PuppetClient sends the request to Puppet Master for the certificate. So okay, we can just see the certificate list by typing the command puppet cert list. It will show you. If it is not showing this, use the sudo puppet cert list. Sometimes if you are not the root user, it won't show you the certificates by just typing puppet cert list command. So you need to use the sudo. So okay, the Puppet client has sent the request. So this is the host name and the address. So here you can just sign the certificate. So just type the puppet cert sign and the client name. So for whichever client you want to sign the certificate, just type the name of that client. So it shows you 2 lines of the notice. Here the next, how you can identify whether the certificate is signed or not. You can again check the certificate list, sudo puppet cert all means it will show you all the certificates. If you see the plus sign at the start of your client's name, that means certificate has been signed. you can see the output shown by the second command and the earlier command. You can compare the output. There is no plus sign in the earlier command and the plus sign added in the recent command that we have added. So here we can also get the fingerprint, sudo puppet agent hyphen fingerprint. So this is the agent I have signed. So certificate has been exchanged from PuppetMaster to PuppetClient. You can also revoke the certificate by just typing the simple command sudo puppet cert clean and then a puppet client name. So this will revoke your certificate. So you can use the Puppet and enjoy your system configuration. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos on Puppet and DevOps. You can also follow my YouTube channel for the lessons on the Puppet. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.